Hey, hi guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video. So guess what, today I'm just taking 2 hours of my busy schedule to show you guys the COJ operations on the city. We're talking about cleaning and yeah, show you guys that the city is actually working. But again guys, stay tuned because once again this will blow your mind.
How's that work? How's it? Alright guys, how you doing? Alright. How you guys? Alright. Long time. Yeah. So this is really a continuation of the inner city project, which is really focused on improved urban management, service delivery, and then also we have the law enforcement component. So we've got a whole lot of city stakeholders who will now convene at this location. We've got Pick It Up, we've got Joburg City Parks, we've got Joburg Road Agency, we've got the Joburg City Power that's with us as well. And then we've got other private sector participants as well. We've got the Johannesburg Inner City Partnership Team, which we call the WASA Works, enforce the bylaws and to do then all service delivery related activities, roads, repairs of leaking water meters, tree trimming, grass cutting, scaffolding, and just vegetation control, just to make sure that the environment is holistically dealt with. So that's really the purpose of today's operation.
Hey, good morning. My name is Krishni Gandhan. I'm the Director of Strategy in the Special Projects Unit in the Office of the COO. And our core mandate in the Special Projects Unit is to ensure that the inner city is regenerated. You'll be aware there's a lot of planning, policies and strategic project that's been implemented. And currently the big focus now is on service delivery. So we're trying to get the city clean, safe, and to ensure that there is bylaw enforcement so that we're getting tourists into the inner city. It will support business as well as commuters and also for people that are living in the inner city. Thank you.
Yeah, we stopped here.
Yeah.
Right.
We just continue.
Go from hospital, right? So from here we will move to the quarter and and hospital streets. The quarter and hospital. We stopped there at the Marlin Tavern, right? I think the building that first must be inspected is the student accommodation building next to that liquor outlet. We stopped at yesterday. There's a student accommodation building there. So I think that's where we'll be starting. That's on the corner of hospital and the quarter. So that's where we'll be starting this morning. So we'll move from here. We've got Bram Security with us. Where's Bad Boys? We've got Bad Boys and we've got the WASA Works team with us as well. This is a team that understands the law enforcement task team work. They've been working with us for the last year and a half, so they know quite a lot of what to be done at certain premises. They also got a lot of information and knowledge of the area. So we are waiting for JMPD and EMS. Unfortunately, obviously we know JMPD does point duty in the morning, and with the load shedding it's even delaying them some more now because they have to cover certain key points, but they're on their way. But I think let's start the operation so that we start on time, and then JMPD will join us as soon as they arrive. They'll join us, but you've got enough personnel here to keep you safe. Bad Boys are here as well. They'll keep you safe. I don't think we'll have any issues as long as they are there. So thank you, colleagues, for coming this morning. I think what we'll do.
Okay guys, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go throughout the city to see the different places where the action is happening. So stay tuned.
Oh, okay. Yesterday. The Corte on Hospital is just 2 streets behind where we are. Ay, vamos. Mbanjwa, niagope. CWP.
Hey guys, we are in Joburg Park. Okay, so the thing that I wanted to see, so they actually patched this area, so the JRA is fixing it. Oh wow, incredible, good.
Here's DRA during the inner city cleanup, accelerated service delivery. The DRA is doing a reinstatement on Klein and Sophie de Brain, which is famously called a Johannesburg. So this work they've been doing for the past 2 days. So hopefully today they're gonna finish it.
Imagine that one day being fixed and become an hotel. Jag. I'm so looking forward to see this place revamped. The roads are clean, doesn't matter what. So this is next to Park Station. Okay, so the JRA is now cleaning the gutters. Let me show you guys what they are doing. Okay guys, so this is what they are doing here. They are cleaning the gutters. Guys, to understand. So please don't litter, please don't litter. You can see this is also happening and this is hard work right here, guys. Let me tell you one thing, guys, it's so difficult to maintain the city, you don't understand. And they have been doing a lot of work. I just came today to basically cover it. They've been doing the thing since the beginning of the week, so yeah, so we're trying to see what's going on because so much work has been done until now. We are now in Braamfontein and they just fixed this leak, so this was leaking. And okay, so that was fixed and you can see the water is still very much wet. Driving around town like mad people to capture everything. There's so much going on. You guys don't understand. I'm trying to do my best to show you guys on this video, but there's so much going on. Okay, so now we are in Braamfontein on Solomon Avenue Street. And this is what's going on. So when we did the Sarantonga Flats, which is down the road there, you guys check the video down below on the playlist. And guys, this was a mess, literally a mess. See, they are still doing but this, guys, you couldn't, it was just literally green. Look at this, now it's nice and trimmed. See, they are cleaning there. Another thing, guys, if you have any leaks on your area, you want something to be fixed on your area quickly, comment down below with address, with everything, so I can pass this information to the city so we can go there and just do it quickly. You guys want to see the city working? We show you the city working. That's what I'm here for. There you go. How's it been? How are you? Very good. We're running. Okay, you can see there are tree pruning here. A lot of stuff going on, you guys can see. Wow. You guys can see everything is being cleaned. So guys, I'm just running around showing you stuff. Yeah.
There you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed to see our beautiful city being clean. Again, make sure you share, subscribe, and destroy that like button. And I'll see you in the next LivinginSAtv video.